Starting a gaming channel is a fantastic idea, especially given your passion and knowledge. Here are some structured content and strategy ideas to help you get started and grow your channel. Content ideas. 1. Let's Play series. Concept: play through games while providing commentary. Tips: focus on popular games as well as hidden gems. Be consistent with uploads, e.g., a new episode every day or week. Engage with your audience by responding to comments and asking for their input on future games to play. 2. Game reviews. Concept: provide in-depth reviews of games, discussing gameplay, graphics, story, and overall experience. Tips: use a consistent rating system, e.g., out of 10, stars, etc. Be honest and unbiased in your reviews. Include gameplay footage to illustrate your points. 3. Walkthroughs and guides. Concept: create comprehensive guides and walkthroughs to help players complete games or achieve specific goals. Tips: be thorough and clear in your explanations. Use timestamps for different sections or chapters. Include tips and tricks for difficult parts of the game. 4. Live streaming. Concept: stream your gameplay live on platforms like Twitch or YouTube. Tips: interact with your viewers in real time to build a community. Schedule regular streaming times. Collaborate with other streamers to reach a wider audience. Channel strategy. 1. Branding. Create a unique and memorable channel name. Design a professional logo and banner for your channel. Develop a consistent visual and audio style for your videos. 2. Engagement. Respond to comments and messages from your viewers. Hold Q&A sessions or community polls to engage your audience. Create a Discord server or a subreddit for your community to interact. 3. Promotion. Share your content on social media platforms like Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. Collaborate with other YouTubers and streamers. Participate in gaming forums and communities to promote your channel. 4. SEO and metadata. Use relevant keywords in your video titles, descriptions, and tags. Create engaging thumbnails that attract clicks. Write detailed and informative video descriptions. 5. Monetization. Enable ads on your videos once you meet YouTube's partner program requirements. Explore sponsorships and affiliate marketing. Offer channel memberships or Patreon for exclusive content. Example content schedule. Monday, Let's Play Episode 1. Tuesday, Game Review. Wednesday, Live Stream. Thursday, Walkthrough Guide Part 1. Friday, Let's Play Episode 2. Saturday, Tips and Tricks Video. Sunday, Live Stream / Q&A Session. Tools and Equipment. 1. Hardware. High-quality microphone and headphones. Webcam or camera for facecam videos. Gaming PC or console. Dual monitors, optional but helpful for streaming and recording. 2. Software. OBS Studio for recording and streaming. Video editing software, e.g., Adobe Premiere Pro, Final Cut Pro. Graphic design software for thumbnails, e.g., Photoshop, Canva. 3. Additional tools. Streamlabs for alerts and overlays. TubeBuddy or vidIQ for YouTube analytics and SEO optimization. Discord for community management. Additional tips. Stay updated with the latest gaming news and trends. Attend gaming conventions and events to network and create content. Continuously improve your skills in video editing and content creation. Be patient and consistent. Building a successful channel takes time. With these ideas and strategies, you can create engaging and high-quality content that resonates with your audience and grows your gaming channel. Good luck!